Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 4, and today I will show you how we can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and this will show you a bunch of toggles, and when you swipe down once more, it will extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you will find the power saving mode. For me it is visible on the first page right at the bottom right here. Once you see your toggle, which it also could be located on the second page, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. As you can see, it does lower the brightness just a little bit, turns the filling of the battery to kind of like this reddish color to signify that it is right now running, and changes a bunch of things in the background. Now if you hold the toggle, it takes you to the settings where we might be actually able to get a little bit more insight in what it changes. And you can see that it's going to be located under the power saving mode. Here we have a power saving mode, learn more. So we have optimization details, performance and background task, optimizes system resources, limits background activity, disables lag for recent apps, disables background syncing, turns off personal hotspots, and plethora of other options right here. Now there is one very important option in here which is not very well described, which is the disables background syncing or sync. And what that refers to is your Wi-Fi and mobile data basically being turned off when you're not using the device, and because of that you won't be getting any kind of notifications from any application that would require internet connection. That'd be things like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApps, and basically almost any other application running on your phone, apart from messages basically. So just be very wary of that, as it might impact the usability of your device quite a bit if you rely on your notifications being delivered to you on time. This option would obviously interfere with it. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.